I got a word for somebody today. And I'm looking down because I got my notes. Every creature on this planet doesn't need convincing of who they are. They just are. They're just being. They're not trying to be anything other than what God created them to be. So you know what that tells me? Purpose is our nature. You don't have to convince a dog to be a dog. You don't have to convince a bird to be a bird. And you don't have to convince a dog that he's not a bird. Y'all get where I'm going with this? So why is it? Why are we the only species that have no clue of the purpose that God placed on the inside of us? And why do we fight it? Why do we fight it? This is where discourse happens in our lives. Ask yourself these 5 questions. Who am I? Who are you? Without the title, like, who are you? That's question number 1. Question number 2, where did you come from? Where's your source? And I'm not talking about where you were born or where you live. I'm talking about who sent you? Who created you? Question number 3, why am I here? What is my purpose? Why are you here? What is your purpose? Number 4, what can I do? What can you do right now to work toward that purpose? Question number 5, what is my destiny? What is your destiny? Where are you going? What's the destination? What do your future looks like? So sit with yourself, answer these 5 questions, and really take inventory of your life and see what you can hear. Talk to God. See what He say about you. And it'll change your life. Yeah, have a good one. Bye.